Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for coming here and attending our conference. Well, I'm a medical doctor and I'm specialized on pulmonary medicine and sleep medicine. I have to specialize, I'm an expert. Why I'm saying this? Because your areas, I'm in computer sciences, informatics, and the information technologies, they created the world, the environment. As a doctor, I have been working since 1994, beginning from my assistant period in my academician. I have seen some changes in my field, and there are many great changes concerning the computer sciences and information technologies. Let's say in detection of cancers. In the past, we knew that we have few numbers of cancer patients, but now we have great number of patients. What happened in the world? Okay, some things happened. But actually, the happening is that some things happened in this area, the computer sciences affected the medicine. Because in my student period in Marmara University, at the end of the 80 years, we see computer, tomography. That was very great thing after chest X-rays. Then in 90s, we see the positron emission tomography, and after that they combined the computer, tomographies with the positron emission tomography, and it had changed the prevalences, frequency of the cancers. We detected many cancer patients, especially in the early period. In the early period means the patient is getting a chance to get rid of the cancer. That's very important. That is the great, changes. Also, another, my expert area is sleep medicine. In sleep medicine, the great changes happened in the last century. And at the end of the 20th century, we detected many sleep disorders. This detection is also occurred under the changes of the, computer sciences. And also concerning information technologies. There are many effects, not just on medicine, also in other areas, let's say in education. In the future period, we will talk about virtual education. We will not need the buildings, clusters. There will be great changes, we expect that. Also, you know that long distance education now started, maybe not accredited, but will be accredited in the future. So, we have many thanks to you about these great changes, believe me. I'm very thankful about this, to your efforts in this, such great changes. Concerning our institution is a young institution, 6 years old. It was established in 2007. After that time, we are trying to develop our institution, and this year we accepted doctorate level. Now in three levels we are giving education. That's very important for our institution. And the last week I was in Bologna, in Italy. We became a member of the Magna Carta Universitatum. It's also a great chance for this university representing Albania in Europe. That's very great. The other thing is that our institution is a chain of Turkish colleges. There are many Turkish colleges here. They are very famous and well-known Turkish colleges. They have very good qualified students. That means we are getting more than 60% of our students from the Turkish colleges, and we have good qualified students. That's very important, better than me. If you have good qualified students and also staff, academic staff, that means you will give good education. You will get a chance. And now, this year we have 3 graduates. Excluding this year's statistics, for the 2 graduates, we had employability rate of 93%. That is very important. This rate is coming from the, first of all, our student quality and the staff quality. That's very important for this institution. And on the other hand, even we are a young university, but we are trying to increase our standards every day and rapidly. In this perspective, this conference will help to increase our qualifications, our standards, and also will give a good, hope about the future. Also not to me, also to my institution, firstly to our students, also academic staff. For this reason, I would like really to thank to our, colleagues coming here and attending to the conference. And also, first of all, I would like to thank to the keynote speakers, Mr. Peter van M. de Boas from Amsterdam University. It's a great university, very old university in Europe. I know, I made a little bit research about it. And also Mr. Dervish Karaboğ from Erciyes University. It's a very well-known university in Turkey. I'm a Turkish and I'm coming from also a Turkish university. And the other thanks to the people who are making our workshop. Let's say two people I would like to thank too. First of all, I would like to thank Lucas Georgiadis from University of Ioannina. Is that correct? I think. This is also a very good university. It was established in 1964. I heard good things about it. And also Luigi Laura from La Sapienza. There is our colleague. Okay. La Sapienza, I was in Italy last week in Bologna. I heard many good things because it's very old. It's more than 700 years, old university. And the last thing is that to thank to Silvio Pardi from the organizing of the session about the European grid infrastructure. And the last thank to our computer engineering department, our head Oğuz Altın, also İli Çapuni, Elton Domnori, and other colleagues. I would like to thank you for coming here and attending to our conference. Thank you.